How to create an OKX account. Hello everyone. With millions of users worldwide, OKX is a trusted platform for safe and efficient crypto trading. In this video, I'll show you how to create an OKX account. To create an account and receive attractive offers from OKX, visit coinaz.net/OKX. Or click on the OKX account creation link in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, select the country or region you live in. Then, check this box to agree to OKX's terms and conditions. Click Create Account. Next, enter your email address. Click Sign Up. OKX just sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email. This is the message that OKX just sent me. If you don't see the message in your inbox, click More. And check your spam folder. Now, I will open the message. Copy the verification code. Then, paste or enter the code here. In this step, enter your phone number. Click Verify Now. OKX has sent a verification code to your phone. Please check your messages and enter the code here. Next, create a password for your account. Here are the password requirements. I'll use an example password as shown on the screen. Click Confirm to complete this step. To verify your account, click here. Click Verification. Then choose a verification type, individual verification or institutional verification. I'll choose individual verification. Click Verify Identity. Click Verify Now to continue. Confirm your country or region. If you need to make changes, click here. Click Next. Next, choose the type of ID you want to use: citizen's identity card, passport, driver's license, and residence card. I'll choose citizen's identity card. Then, click Next. OKX will require you to use your phone camera to scan your ID and take a selfie for facial verification. Click Next. Now, I'll guide you through the verification process using your phone camera. First, use your phone's camera to scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. Click here to open the verification page on your phone. Click Start Verification. Select Allow to access the camera. Now, take a photo of the front of your ID. Review the photo. If you want to retake it, click here. If everything looks good, click Next to take a photo of the back of the document. Click Next to proceed with facial verification. Your documents have been successfully submitted. OKX will notify you by email once the review is complete. Next, return to the OKX website on your computer to set up account security. To secure your account, click here. Click Security. I'll guide you through securing your account using an authenticator app. Click here. Click Link Authenticator app. First, enter the verification code sent to your phone number. Next is email verification. Please check your inbox, copy the code, and enter it here. OKX requires you to use Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or a physical security key. I'll download the Google Authenticator app. Click I've downloaded one. Scan the QR code or enter the setup key below using Google Authenticator. Now, I'll show you how to install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. To install the app, open the App Store on iPhone, or Google Play if you're on Android. Here, search for Google Authenticator. This is the app we need to download. Click here to download it. Then click here to open the app. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. To begin, either scan the QR code or manually enter the setup key. I'll choose Scan a QR code. Select Allow to access the camera. This is the verification code generated by the app. Please go back to OKX and enter this code. Click Continue. Enter the verification code generated by the Google Authenticator app. At this point, your account has been successfully linked to the Authenticator app. I've completed the guide on creating an OKX account. Wishing you success.